Hello everyone, my name is Shankarrao Jajji. Today I am presenting my capstone project EduAgent. EduAgent is an AI-powered educational assistant that helps students learn, practice, plan their studies and receive career guidance using multiple AI agents. So the problem is students often use different platforms for learning quizzes, study planning and career advice. Switching between multiple platforms can be inconvenient. EduAgent brings these essential educational services together in one application. So let's see our readme. Yeah, I developed this project using Python and FastAPI for the backend. The AI capabilities are powered by the Google Gemini API. I used UVCon to run the FastAPI application and Swagger UI to test and demonstrate the API endpoints and also MCP servers and EduAgent.py. So let's see our architecture. Yeah, the architecture is a simple and a modular. First, the user sends a request through an API. Fast API receives. Let's see. Fast API receives the request and routes it to the appropriate AI agent. The project contains 4 specialized agents like Tutor Agent and Quiz Agent, Planning Agent, and Career Agent. So, Tutor Agents for explaining concepts and Quiz Agent generating practice questions and Planner Agent for creating study schedules, Career Agent for providing career guidance. So let's see that. Okay. The selected agent sends the request to the Google Gemini API, which generates an intelligent response. That response is then returned to the user. So the project is organized into a separate folders to improve maintainability. Let's see. So it contains the AI agent logic agencies and the roots contains the API endpoints, models for defining request and response models. Services contains the business logic and Gemini API integration. Main.python is the application entry point, requirements list and the required Python packages. And we all know README provides documentation on setup features and usage. So let's test our EduAgent. It takes some time. So now I will demonstrate the application using Swagger UI. So let's get in the browser. Yeah, so the message is clear. EduAgent API is running. So we all know. Then I open the Swagger interface in the browser. Yeah, this is the fast API server. So I will test one endpoint from each agent. So let's test this. Typing what is artificial intelligence, like what is AI. It takes sometimes. So we see the tutor agent answers a study question. So it's about tutor agent is the AI is the teaching computers to think and learn in ways that usually requires human intelligence. So Quiz agent create a study plan for Python. I'm typing create a study plan for Python. So let's read how it is generated. Responses are generated by the Google Gemini API and written as JSON. So it creates a study plan for Python. So planner is this is the fun meta request. You want to study a plan for creating a study plan for Python. So this is the EduAgent is a powered AI educational assistant and that combines learning support, quizzes, study planning, and career guidance into one platform. The modular architecture makes it easy to maintain and extend with additional features in the future. So thank you for your time. I'm happy to answer any questions.